Hello everybody. So today we are going to look at how to set up GRUB password. Yesterday we were managed to change the password of root user or any user. So in order to prevent that, what we want to do is to make a two-step authentication password. So let's begin. So let's open our terminal, right? Let's use GRUB mk password PBKDF2 is a algorithm which generate the hashes. So let's do enter. So now what we are gonna do is to create a password. So enter your password, what you wanna write it. So I'm gonna just do root and I have to re-enter the password. Then this hash has been generated. Now let me just go to another terminal, and what I wanna do is to create a copy of 40 custom onto CD etc. Then there is a file of grub cd grub and there is ls grep 40. So let me just show you 40, right? So we are going to create over here. So what we want to do right now is to create a backup file. For this, copy a sudo copy 40 custom into t dot old. My password is passed for this, and let me just do edit this using cp. It's 40 custom. Let's do enter. So here what you wanna do is we have to create our first username, then password. So first of all, set super user equal to root, then password. So what I'm trying to do is to set a password. Right now I'm using a root as a root password. This is very simple, right? If you have a different password, you have to write change this root to whatever your password is. So right now my one is root, so that, and I need to put a hash algorithm over here. So I have to copy this. This is my password. Let's copy it and let's paste it over here. Let me paste that again. Once I have done that, then we want to save this grub setting. So what you want to do is I had to do sudo, then it's working. So right now it's checking and saving the file, and if there is any error it would have shown. So right now it's working. Then sudo, so it will just restart, right? So right now you can see enter username, I can do root, and password is also root.